Why Tony Buzbee wins big in the courtroom. In the world of high-stakes litigation, few names command as much attention as Tony Buzbee. He has built a career on taking on powerful opponents, corporations, government agencies, and high-profile figures. But Buzbee's journey to becoming one of the most recognized trial lawyers in America didn't start in a courtroom. It began on a small farm in Texas, where he learned the values of discipline, perseverance, and hard work. Buzbee grew up in Atlanta, Texas, a rural town where life was simple, but hard work was expected. His parents, a butcher and a school cafeteria worker, instilled in him the value of grit. After high school, he earned an ROTC scholarship to attend Texas A&M University, where he studied psychology. But his time there wasn't just about academics. He became the battalion commander of the NROTC Midshipman Battalion, a leadership role that would foreshadow his future in high-pressure situations. After graduating, Buzbee joined the U.S. Marine Corps. He didn't just serve, he thrived. Rising to the rank of captain, he commanded special operations-capable units in Persian Gulf and Somalian conflicts. His leadership and performance earned him multiple commendations, including the Navy Commendation Medal. That military mindset, preparation, execution, and resilience would later define his legal career. After leaving the military, Buzbee pursued law at the University of Houston Law Center. He graduated summa cum laude, ranked second in his class, and was managing editor of the Houston Law Review. Unlike many top law graduates who go straight into corporate law, Buzbee was drawn to trial work. He started his legal career at Sussman Godfrey LLP, a prestigious litigation firm in Houston. But in 2000, he took a leap and founded the Buzbee Law Firm, determined to build a practice that didn't just settle cases, but fought them in court. We don't just negotiate settlements. We prepare every case as if it's going to trial. Buzbee has said, Buzbee quickly made a name for himself. He took on BP in the aftermath of the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, fought for victims of toxic exposure, and led lawsuits against some of the biggest corporations in the world. Some of his most notable cases include $280 million settlement for plant explosion victims, $189 million class action settlement, $159 million verdict for offshore explosion victims, $100 million verdict in a breach of contract case, representing 21 women in lawsuits against NFL quarterback Deshaun Watson, $750 million lawsuit against rapper Travis Scott for victims of the Astroworld Festival tragedy. Buzbee's success comes from his trial-first approach. I enjoy getting my clients a bunch of money and putting the fear of God in those who are unfortunate enough to oppose me, he once told a colleague. While best known for his legal work, Buzbee has also built a successful real estate business. His company, Buzbee Properties, owns and develops properties in Houston and Florida. In 2023, he co-founded HoBuzz, a THC-infused seltzer line, with Washington Ho. The venture was a departure from law, but Buzbee has never been afraid to explore new opportunities. Buzbee has never shied away from politics. In 2019, he ran for mayor of Houston, finishing second to incumbent Sylvester Turner. He also ran for Houston City Council in 2023, losing in a runoff to Mary Nan Huffman. Though unsuccessful, his campaigns reflected his no-nonsense approach. I don't need this job. I just want to fix things. Despite his aggressive courtroom persona, Buzbee is deeply committed to philanthropy. He has donated millions of dollars to organizations like Houston Children's Charity, Star of Hope Mission for the Homeless, Meals on Wheels, Citizens for Animal Protection, He also contributed $1 million to Texas A&M School of Law and established the Buzbee Leadership Learning Center at Texas A&M University. Buzbee's career is defined by relentless preparation and fearless execution. Whether in a courtroom, business venture, or political race, he brings the same intensity he learned in the Marine Corps. "I was born with a chip on my shoulder, and it's still there," he says. For Buzbee, every case, deal, and fight is an opportunity to prove himself again. And if history is any indication, he wouldn't have it any other way.